Safety in restaurants, the ABCs of fire extinguishers. The modern fire extinguisher model is about 200 years old. It originally consisted of a copper canister with compressed air as the propelling agent, and potassium carbonate, pearl ash, as the firefighting agent. The formulas for contents have changed many times over the years, but the basic components consisting of a firefighting agent and an expeller pressurized within a container remain. Today, there are several types of fire extinguishers classified by their purpose or the type of fire they're intended to put out. There are requirements for their installation and maintenance, as well as their safe use. They must be placed at a height and location that is easily accessible and in a high traffic area. They must not extend beyond 4 inches into the adjacent walkway. They must have an external maintenance inspection at least once a year. This includes an inspection of the pressure gauge, the volume of extinguishing agent, and a check to make sure the pin, handles, and all other external parts are serviceable. They must undergo internal maintenance at varying intervals depending on the type or class of the extinguisher. Components are disassembled, cleaned, checked, refilled, and reassembled. Signs are generally placed near the fire extinguisher to draw attention to it and to summarize the types of fire the extinguisher may be used for.